Today we're gonna learn how to program the forest shuttle. It's a motorized system. So first you need, of course, your track assembled to your specifications. Second, you need your motor, shuttle motor, radio frequency receiver, the data cable that comes with the receiver, your radio frequency remote, and then your power supply. Okay, it has the two cables. One is the transformer, the other plugs into your outlet. So first, we need to make sure your track is installed, properly installed, and then that the masters are not all the way closed or all the way open. Okay, they have to be in the middle. Not closed, not open, but in the middle. Okay, just to make sure you have that. Then you grab your shuttle motor, and your receiver, it clips on the side, just like that. Okay. Then you grab your data cable, and you connect into the receiver, and then your shuttle motor has two ports. One is one eye and the other is an auxiliary port. This, for the receiver, it has to go clip on the one eye. So just make sure you have it in one eye. Okay? After you do that, you go to your track and you install the motor. The motor pulley has a clip or a pin that goes into the motor. So you just make sure you have to turn it. Okay? And then you turn your there you go. Like that, okay? Then you align it. And there's a clip here. Okay? A plastic clip that is for a security clip for the motor to hook into the pulley. So that way your motor doesn't move. Okay? Then you add your power. Your power supply connects into your forest shuttle. And just make sure you have power, of course. Okay? When you plug it in, you will see a few lights going on. Then this comes off very easy. This power supply comes off. So make sure to hook it into the motor and shuttle motor so it doesn't come off. Okay, like that. Your shuttle motor has these two or three little antennas where you can just hook your power supply so it will not come off. Okay, now you have power and you're almost set. Now we need to program the receiver to the remote. To do that, we're gonna select our channel. Your forest shuttle remote has 15 channels. Okay, so you're gonna select your channel. In this case, we're gonna select channel 1 with 01, and to program it to the motor, you're gonna press this button in the receiver, not in the motor, but in the receiver once, and you have a red light, and then press open on your remote. See how that red light blink? And then it's programmed. It's very simple. Okay? We're gonna do it again. Press one more time. Well, we're just doing it again. And press up and it will blink. And now you can close it or open it. Okay? Now the forest shuttle is a motor that is sensitive, so it will feel the pressure on the closed position and in the open position, and that's where it's gonna stop. See how it's closing, and it will slow down after setting up the limits and opening. Now, if you don't like this stack back and you want a bigger stack back, we need to reset the motor to be able to reset the limits. To do that, we're gonna come to the motor, to the button in the motor here, between the ports, there's a black button here. We're gonna press it for 10 to 12 seconds until a green light comes on, and then we're gonna press it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then press and hold for 3 seconds until this light blinks. You blink, and then one more time, and all the lights should be off. That's how easy it is to reset the motor. Now it's reset. It doesn't have limits or nothing. This is still programmed. It's just where we reset is the motor, so we can control it with the remote. So we're gonna reset the limits. We're gonna press close, and it will close and set that limit, the close limit. Then we're gonna press open to set the open limit. When it hits, you see a yellow light there. You can grab your master and put it wherever you want. Whatever you want your stack back to be. And then goes off. You only have 5 seconds to do that. Okay? Then we're gonna test it. Close. You have your close limit and open. You have your open limit. And see how it didn't go all the way here? You stop wherever you want. Now if you don't like that, you need to reset it again and reset the limits. Now if you're pressing open and it's closing, or if you're pressing closing and it's opening, your motor is reversed. To fix that, you're gonna come here to the again to the motor, to the black button on the motor, and press for 10 to 12 seconds until you see a green light. That's how you enter into programming mode. As soon as it comes on, you release and press for 3 seconds. Press and hold for 3 seconds until it blinks. And that's it. Your motor is, you change the direction. Now if you press close, I'm sorry, I just changed it. You will press close, it's gonna close. And if you press open, it's gonna open. That's how you change the direction. Any questions, please call us at 4S Repair Hardware, 678-721-0004. Thank you.
Do that part again, because I messed up. Just do that whole, any questions, call it. Hold on, one and go.
If you have any questions, or if you need help with technical support, please call 4S Repair Hardware at 678-721-0004. Thank you.